quake of magnitude 5.2 occurred early evening on Monday, January 9, 2023, at 7:26 p.m. local time near Trenggalek, East Java, Indonesia. As reported by the German Research Center for Geosciences, GFZ. According to preliminary data, the quake was located at an intermediate depth of 70 kilometers. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their reports. A second report was later issued by the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake, which listed it as a magnitude 5.2 earthquake as well. Other agencies reporting the same quake include France's Réseau National de Surveillance Sismique, RéNaSS, at magnitude 5.0, and the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, at magnitude 5.2.